What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your Chartist. Welcome to SPX Weekly. Today is April 7th, 2025, local time 10:48 a.m. I will be analyzing SPX and SPY and whatever you see at the top. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist, and if you're listening to me for the very first time, I'm a price action trader. I do not trade indicators, whatever indicators that you see on the screen, they are just there to understand the psychology of other traders. That's it. So let's go on yearly time frame. Let's start the analysis. Let's go on yearly time frame and see what's happening right here. Okay, so on yearly, I do not see anything other than this. Price is actually reacting from yearly demand zone right here, and it did all time high. Now, let's go on half yearly. All right. So we do see a half yearly structure, which is right here. I'll mark this. This is your half yearly demand zone right here. How to market, how not to market, I cannot explain everything here. You can leave me a message and I can explain you whatever I can, but I cannot explain everything here. Let's go on quarterly, and we do see a coinciding quarterly demand zone right here as well. I'm going to mark it here as well. Let's go here and QDC. Okay, these are my own templates. TradingView lets you draw all that. Now there's another coinciding level which is right here, which is monthly, and this is where the price is reacting from currently, as you can see. Let's mark it MDZ. Okay, and now there's one more right here. So this is the origin. This is the clear cut origin of the entire rally. Okay, if it comes here, buy. Simple as that. But of course, with a stop loss level. But this is the origin of this rally. So price comes here and then boom, it goes up, right? It does all time high. There shouldn't be a V-shaped recovery. Understand that, okay? Because there's too much selling. These two red candles are telling you that there is too much selling. Okay, so sellers are selling from the top and buyers are buying from the bottom. So price will get consolidated. Okay, that's the highest probability. Now let's understand. Let's go further down and see. This is see where price is reacting from here. Okay, this is your weekly, and this is the origin of this rally, this from here to here, and then it did all time high. So this is the whole origin, but it doesn't look that great on SPX. Now if we go on daily, yes, there is one demand here, one demand here. Okay, so for now, if it is coming down, it is reacting from MDZ, monthly demand zone, and we have, this is not a great structure. This one not a great structure, but this one actually, if you look on the left side here, it has actually given us closing above the quarterly supply zone. This this is very important. 4700, 4744. Okay, and a pull down can still come while market is trading live. I'm telling you. See, it's four. SPY is right here trading at 497. I'm telling you. Now we will go and study SPY. It should be exactly same. Okay, so let me turn on the drawings. Do not get confused. Please do not get confused. Everything is will be explained. It is exactly same. Let me show you here. See, monthly demand zone. It is reacting from here, and that's what we marked on SPX quarterly here, exactly same. And then there was one at the bottom as well. One was this. So price is actually inside here. I haven't opened NDX, but NDX should be doing the same. Now price is reacting from here. So can you buy here? No, you do not just buy randomly any demand. No, there's a full-fledged course for it, right? You cannot just go and buy any random demand. No, but yeah, price is reacting from here, and you cannot deny these two red candles are clearly telling you we have selling. Same thing was happening in, if you look here, candle by candle, here monthly, here monthly, same, they work the same. Okay, for people who don't know, they work the same. Now SPY is reacting from here. Let me turn it on. See, MDZ, and you can go and check it out. MDZ, exactly same. Here I trade usually, you can trade SPY, right? So I do my markings both on SPY and SPX. They work the same. Okay, now price is reacting from here, and at the bottom two levels, okay, there is a trade. definite trade here. Okay, so let's go further down. We couldn't see anything clear in SPX and in SPY as well, as you can see. Okay, it's not that great. But when we go on daily, the only problem is trend is super down. So you cannot just go blindly and trade anything. Let the price come here. Let the price come here. Okay, 4 7. I've been telling you. Okay, wait. Right, this is half yearly demand zone. So this red line is actually telling us that there is a half yearly demand zone which should have been marked here as well. See, okay, so you will get support of higher time frame. Okay, that means a lot of buying pending orders are sitting here, everywhere. Okay, now short traders can easily get trapped. Now the thing is that this type of selling is not normal in index. Okay, people are panicking. That is why price is moving continuously. It's sliding down, but now somebody is buying. I'm telling you, somebody is buying. Do not be surprised. I was not making any videos because I knew this could happen, and I was taking live batches, and we have been discussing all this. People who took the batch, they know very clearly that when price was here, we were discussing that if it takes a fall, it can definitely come to 470s. But at that time, people who were taking the batch, they were also surprised that okay, it shouldn't happen because it could be a crash. But yeah, now we are here after 5 months because we started discussing all this in November. Now the point here is not to discuss that. The point is that price can come in the middle and then react. But can you trade this blindly? No. Once price comes here, okay, listen to me very carefully. Once price comes here, any of these levels, we need the tech sector also to come here. Okay, tech, if tech sector comes here, put an alert here, 3200. So if tech 3275, whatever, if tech sector comes here, it's the same level for SPX. Okay, let me show you here. The only problem with the tech sector is that this demand zone is used. That's it. And in the index, it's fresh. So now the rally started from the bottom. You see these wicks, it started from here. Now understand that if price comes to this level, 3275, okay, and the index comes to, put an alert somewhere in the middle, 4700. So that means SPY would be around 470. See, 4700, exactly same price action. So I'm saying if index comes to 3270, 70-ish, SPX would be around 4700 and SPY should be around 470. Look here, 470. Okay, if this sync together, I'm using the word sync, if this sync together along with these stocks, if these stocks come in their respective demand zones, so then you will see a rally. It would shouldn't be a V-shaped recovery, trust me, because when price is coming down, it is making new supplies as well. We have a supply here. Can you see here? We have a supply here. So this will stop in the future. This is how price action is. Do not worry about any of this. I have broken this down on SPX. It's exactly same. Please understand, do not trade the market right now. I told you in the morning it can come down to 470s. Let it come down to 470. It is because of this. We do see price coming down here, and if you look on the left side, see, right now you do not see anything. But if I show you, this level which we have marked is actually responsible for breaking this quarterly supply zone. See this is responsible. Okay, very important. And again, once price hits 4700, it would be inside half yearly demand zone as well. So this is the origin, this is the origin of this rally. Let me hide this. So this wick, see, understand, this is quarterly. Understand, this candle closed here, then next candle opens here and it went down. This is quarterly candle. It went down and then it started rallying up. So there is somebody here in the middle of these two candles, and we have figured those bunch of buying pending orders. Okay, price needs to come down here. Do not go long or do not short also right now, because now price has hit higher time frame demand zones and it's going to be a very big problem. Okay, selling pressure is there, and you do not blindly even buy here. Wait for a supply zone on daily time frame to be broken. I'm telling you right away. But do not short. Now this Is this a buying opportunity? Now we will go on to these charts and see. So if you go on Nvidia doesn't look that great to me. I see no buying opportunity in Nvidia. Fresh buying should come. This is tested. Tested means weak because buying pending orders were picked up here on August 5th last year. So that's why it's weak. It can go deeper. Now, Apple needs to come down here. An alert is here. One, not here. Even it should come around 169. So $10 down move can come in Apple. Google needs to come down to 135. Amazon, no trade here. Wait, we need to wait. And Microsoft, it needs to come down. For me, I want it to come down to 320s, 321, 320. So understand, majority of tech stocks, SPX is majorly and heavily made up of tech stocks. So I want these stocks to come down. And I don't want, the data is telling that they should come down. This is just a bounce in the morning, which you saw. I'm telling you, I posted this in the morning as well. Do not buy, stay away. This is just the bunch of pending buying orders that just triggered from monthly demand zone. Wait, again, I'm repeating. You want the index and the sector and the respective tech stocks to come along for the rally. Okay, and this is the herd. This is the retailers that are panicking. And one more thing is, this black line is EMA 20. Understand, when price is way far away from EMA 20, stock or the price is cheaper for the institutions. This is very cheap. They will definitely buy. That is why, see, why is this candle being formed? Understand, people are short selling, okay, institution are buying, and then whosoever sold the stocks at the top on Friday or whatever, right, they are actually short, doing the short covering. That is why you do see a bounce. This would be a trap most likely. Because why? Because the index is far, the sector is far. Sector is actually reacting from, see here, it's all data. See, sector is actually reacting. I've marked all these. See, sector is reacting from this demand zone. This is good, but the whole point is you do not trade all this in downtrend. But sector cannot move on its own. Sector needs the respective stocks to come along with them, and then it will move. Now it is moving right now. Let it move, because buying pending orders are being picked up from higher time frame. This is the origin 4700. And if it starts moving up, you will see a supply zone, that needs to be broken. Right now we do not see anything above 550. So if we need 5, if price needs to go up, it needs to break 550. Okay, and then it needs to come down. But for now, this is how price action works. It will be halted here. Okay, and then let the other stocks like Nvidia, Apple needs to come down to 169. I'm telling you right away. This Google needs to come down to 135. Amazon, we need to wait. There are no levels right now which are fresh. Okay, so let it come down. Let's see if there is anything on daily in Amazon. I don't see anything till here, 146. Okay, but let's see how it works. They can move if the sector comes in, and syncs with the indexes. Okay, but this will be a sideways market, down to sideways market for now. And please wait, do not go long. If you did find this information, useful, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. Leave your comments, questions below. I'll try to answer ASAP. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, you need to understand, do not panic. Okay, do not panic. Analyze the data, and then you can relax. Otherwise, do not just, if you're not able to decide, stay out of the market. Okay, I'm pretty sure it will come down to 4700. It should come down, but again, if it doesn't, a supply needs to be broken. Because supply breaking means that sellers are being breached now by these pending orders. But right now supply is way far. Okay, so wait, there wouldn't be a v-shaped rally. Understand, there wouldn't be a v-shaped recovery. It will, price doesn't go, see, price doesn't go like this. Why is it in drawing? Okay, it doesn't go like this. So it goes like this. Understand this. This is how it works, and this is all healthy for the market. This correction is all healthy for the market. So do not, if it shouldn't go up like this. Just understand this. Okay, let's end the video here. Make sure you follow me here if this was useful. Have a wonderful trading day. I am just waiting for my levels. We'll see you shortly. Take care. Bye bye.